You pee like an old man, and you have no idea why. Every time you go to the bathroom, it's torture. It takes minutes to start. The stream is weak. And when you finish, you don't, because you need to go again 10 minutes later. Does that sound normal to you? This isn't aging. It's an inflamed prostate. And it's stealing your sleep, your energy, even your sex life. And the worst part, you might be making it worse every single day without knowing it. No one tells you this, but there are real solutions, natural ones. No side effects, no surgeries. No shame. It's called ProstaVive, a formula backed by real science. With saw palmetto, nettle root, and more. Shrinks your prostate, improves your flow, and gives you control. Thousands of men now sleep through the night without waking up once. You can be next. Or you'd rather keep peeing like an old man for the rest of your life. Click the link in the description and pin comment. Do something for yourself.